The TV robots are coming. They will force me, Tom Merritt, to count them down. Proceed. I bet the first time most of us ever saw a robot was on TV. TV robots are often friends and companions to the show's heroes, helping them solve mysteries or saving the world from certain doom. So, in their honor, our producer Roger has put together his top 5 TV robots. Number 5, it's a tie! We're gonna cop out right from the beginning. We have Rosie from the Jetsons and Robot from Lost in Space. I bet you didn't know his name was Robot. They're not at all alike. Rosie is the epitome of the robot as household help. Rosie could do everything. Be a maid, be a chef, be a butler, and more. Robot from Lost in Space is the ultimate childhood companion, a friend, a guardian, a confidant, like Lassie. Robot could signal when danger was afoot.
Warning!
What they do have in common, though, is that we all wanted a Rosie, or maybe a robot too, growing up. Coming in at number 4, Bender Bending Rodriguez from Futurama. Matt Groening took the concept of the intelligent, efficient, and flawless automaton of the future and turned it into a lazy, boorish, beer-guzzling coworker you're gonna love. Well, if you're not down with Bender's idea of drinking the day away, then you can just bite his shiny metal ass. Up to number 3, Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobot faction of Hasbro's Transformers toy line. Optimus Prime embodies all the traits you might want from an idealized 1980s male role model. Strong, selfless, wise, can turn into an 18-wheeler. Voiced by the iconic Peter Cullen, Optimus Prime combined the elements of a cool dad with your Little League coach and Superman. Sliding in at number 2, Kit from Knight Rider. Kit, or the Knight Industries 2000, combined 2 things U.S. audiences secretly pined for in the 80s, a loyal steed and a talking self-driving Pontiac Trans Am. Along with his sidekick Michael Knight, Kit worked with the Foundation for Law and Government, or FLAG, to fight organized crime and corruption. Yes, Kit was the main character. Let's all be clear on that. At number 1, Data from Star Trek The Next Generation. Data was kind of Star Trek's answer to Pinocchio, an android created by the infamous Dr. Noonien Soong. Data was a valued crew member of both the U.S. Enterprise D and E, and although he longed to be more human, his android nature was critical in helping the crew out of many a predicament. TV robots. They embody everything we want from technology: helpful, understanding, loyal friends that help guide us on our journey through life. But maybe your favorite fictional robot guide didn't even make this list, even when we made number 5 a tie. Well, tell us about them. Who are they? Put it in the comments. And hey, if you want more great tech news and info, subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/dailytechnewsshow. Get the podcast at dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you can, help support us at patreon.com/DTNS. I'll see you there.